Hey, it's Melissa from Big Universe Music, and let's talk about how to read a scale diagram for guitar. A scale diagram looks a lot like a chord diagram, but as you can see, it's impossible to play all of these notes at once. So what is this? A scale diagram shows us how to play scale patterns on the guitar neck. Over here on the left, we have the sixth string of the guitar, and then all the way over to the right, we have our first string. It's kind of like reading a book. You'll start all the way on the left and then play down. So you'll play this fret, the second fret, then the fourth, then you'll go up to the fifth string to play the first fret of the fifth string, second fret, fourth, and then the next string. So you're moving this way, kind of like you're reading it in columns. Sometimes you'll see these dots that are filled in, and those are what we call the root note of the chord. In this case, this is showing a major scale, so whatever note you're playing under this fret will be the root of your major scale. If you play it just how it's written here on the first 4 frets, this is going to be your F sharp major scale. But if you wanted to move this shape to the next fret higher, what you would see is a number off camera here, the number 3 telling you to move it up a fret, and then that would become the G major scale and move it up and so forth, and etc. Occasionally you'll also see finger numbers inside of these numbers. So say you'll see a number 1, 2, 4. And that's really helpful because if you're using a movable scale shape, if you're thinking in finger numbers, you'll be able to move that scale around much easier. Since this scale shape spans 4 frets, make sure that you're assigning one finger to be in charge of each fret. So your first finger will be in charge of the first fret, second finger in charge of the second, third finger in charge of the third, and the pinky, the fourth finger, in charge of the 4th fret. Again, so it's easy for this to become a movable shape. And here's what this scale sounds like. Give it a try. Make sure to follow for more lessons on the guitar, voice, and songwriting, and I'll see you later.